Hello everyone, I create videos about travel and walking tours through different cities around the world. For filming, I use two cameras, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and the Sony ZV-E10 II. The DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is used for daytime walking tours, while the Sony ZV-E10 II is used for night walking tours and close-up shots. For more comfortable filming with the Sony ZV-E10 II, it's very useful to have a camera rig. This setup usually includes a camera cage, a camera top handle, and a side handle grip. There are many companies on the market that make these accessories for different cameras, but not all offers are good or cost-effective. That's why I decided to look for a better deal on the website Temu.com, where you can find a huge number of various products. As a result, I chose the products from the brand JLWIN and purchased a camera cage for the Sony ZV-E10 II, a camera top handle, and a side handle grip. By the way, if you want to make a purchase on Temu.com, you can use my coupon. Don't miss out, claim your €200 coupon bundle. The link and coupon are in the description of this video, and also now visible on the screen. Use this coupon or the link. The JLWIN ZV-E10 II camera cage kit is designed specifically for the Sony ZV-E10 II. It features a durable aluminum alloy frame that protects the camera while keeping it lightweight. It offers easy access to every control and a quick release plate for fast setup. This cage provides full access to all buttons and ports, making it ideal for both professional and travel use. The JLWIN Quick Release wooden side handle grip is designed for DSLR and mirrorless camera cages. It combines elegant rosewood with durable aluminum alloy, offering both comfort and style. The ergonomic design provides a secure and stable grip during handheld shooting, and the quick release mount makes setup fast and convenient. The JLWIN camera top handle is made from durable aluminum alloy and features precise 1/4-inch screw locating pins. It provides a comfortable and secure grip for handheld shooting. The handle ensures better balance and stability when filming from different angles. A practical and lightweight accessory for any professional setup.